Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 XLT in blue jeans metallic, gray cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It also has a tonneau cover as well. It's a 2.7 liter 6-cylinder engine. It's an it's a 4x4 with the XDR package, which adds a little bling with chrome handles, running board, fenders, tow hooks, and bumper. It also has a tailgate step, navigation, heated seats, and so many more reasons to come and visit us. If you'd like to take this vehicle out for a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your electronic parking brake is located here, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and with the help of the running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. Now when we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and also the menu that we can toggle through. So let's get in there. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have submenus. Your automatic select shifter has drive mode, and when we press the end, it'll appear normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and then toggle again and you're back around again. In the center you have a little bin, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. There you go. And we also have our sources you can touch on the screen: AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You also have your map for navigation. As well, you can go into your settings and slide through for different options. There's your Bluetooth again, Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, on Android Auto, and so forth. Volume and tuner. And down below you have heated seats for both driver and passenger. I'm really enjoying that today. Front and rear defrost, your AC and max AC. Down below, a couple of USB outlets, 12 volt, and there's a little bin that you can open up. You have 4x4 locking differential and pro trailer backup, little cubby down below. In the center there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders. You also have more storage in there. And then flip the seat up for another seating position. You can unclip underneath, and lots of room under there. You can flip out those cups for extra cup holders. You also have a 12 volt and a 110 locking glove compartment. Up above we have our auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window in the rear, that's what that's for, and a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic running board, chrome door handle, keyless entry keypad. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. And your backup camera is just below that handle, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then we want to get into the tailgate, we simply lift the latch. You've got this nice tonneau cover, and it's a line spray-in box. As well, you have a tailgate step, and that box has tie downs in all 4 corners. The tailgate step makes it easy to get in and out. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away. Or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. And you can easily lift the seat up with one hand. Gives you more room on the floor, and then pull the clip and it'll bring it right down. You have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and a nice all-weather mat on the floor, especially good in this wet weather. Sling pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center a couple of cup holders. You have a 12 volt as well as USB outlets. Grab handle in the body. Up above you have your dome lighting as well as hooks on the side. In the back, access to a power sliding window and rear defrost. Chrome bumper, tonneau cover, 5.5-foot box. Mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.